Bhastrika is breathing technique that requires effort. We will breathe in from our nose by making an effort and exhale strongly. Before we begin practicing, I want to tell you about two main principles. The first is that as long as we practice Bhastrika breathing, there is a place in our mouth that is called the fire point. We should always keep the tip of our tongue in the fire point position. The tip of our tongue should be right behind our two front teeth and touch the roof of our mouth. We place the tip of our tongue in that position. The tip of your tongue behind the two front teeth and touching the roof of your mouth. This is what we call the fire point position. Throughout this breath, our tongue will always be in that position. Once we have completed Bhastrika and released all of our breath from our lungs, we will practice Mahabandhas. Mahabandhas represents three main locking points in our physical body. These are the anus, belly button, and chin. This means that after we release all of the breath in our lungs with effort, we first pull the anus up, then pull the belly button in towards spine, and then lower our chin like this and lock it all into place. Our hands are placed comfortable on our knees and we do not breathe. We do not push our limits of comfort but stay in this position for as long as we can. We perform these three main locking movements after we release all of the breath from our lungs, but we never push our limits of comfort. If we feel at all uncomfortable, we release the three locks and return to our regular pattern of breathing. Now, we begin to practice. We will inhale and exhale through our nostrils. We really use effort and strength in this breathing technique. Please keep a tissue with you because the sinuses may empty. Like I said in the beginning, we sit with our spinal cord straight and gently close our eyes. We breathe in towards our chest with effort and use effort when we exhale. We will repeat this together for a count of 10. Now that we have released our last breath, we move to Mahabandhas. Lock the anus and pull it up. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Lower your chin. Lock this position and without breathing, stay in this position for as long as possible without pushing your limits of comfort. What was the purpose of this? It regulates our endocrine system. Don't ever force yourself. If you feel you are at all uncomfortable, please return to your regular pattern of breathing immediately. Now we will do a second set of Bhastrika for another count of 10. However, it's very important to rest between the two sets. Please take a few minutes for yourself and rest. Now we move on to the second set. Again, we will take a 10 strong breaths to our chest and exhale 10 times. And we do not forget, always keep your spinal cord straight and eyes closed because our awareness is directed inside. When my eyes are open, my awareness will remain in the outer world. This exercise is one that I completely carry out with my inner world. And as I said in the beginning, the hands and fingers are always in the position of Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra, which is your thumb and your index finger are united. When these fingers are united, our bronchi begin to open. Okay, are you ready for the second set? Let's do it all together. Last. Mahabandhas. We log all three of them.
Geride kilitliyoruz.
If you decide to practice Bhastrika every day on an ordered schedule, then you can begin with 20 breaths. During the first week, begin with 2 sets of 10 breaths daily.